What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this tutorial we're gonna go over Renderforest because obviously I have worked with them in the past many times and they keep updating the website, they keep improving. So in this video it is especially how to use Renderforest for your YouTube videos in 2022. So if you guys are excited, make sure to hit that like button down below, also leave a comment, and I would say let's dive straight in. So right here we are on the home page. You can click through. When you head over to the description, there is a link there. It says all your design tools in one place. So let's click on and get started right now, and let's see what kind of a menu we get prompted. So right here to start off is first you have to think, what kind of video are we gonna make? So right here we have all kinds of options such as video, a website, a logo, a mockup, and graphic. So for this video we're gonna stick with this option, and then we are basically presented with all the options that we have. Now obviously these are video templates that we can just completely customize to all our wants and needs. So obviously they work also in different categories. So if you head over to the top right here, it says animation videos. So we have explainer animation. Let's say that you want to make a presentation or something along those lines. It's really easy that you can just go over and click one of these presets, completely customize it to your theme. So if you go over back to that same menu right here, we have video editing, we have mobile app promotion. So let's say that you have developed a new app and you want to kind of like make a teaser or an ad for that. It is really cool that we have all kinds of options. So for this video we're going to focus primarily on video intros, outros, etc. So right here we have intros and logos. So we have all kinds of options such as YouTube intros, 3D logo reveals, minimal logo reveals, exploding and burning reveals, particle logo reveals, glitch logo reveals, etc. So let's go and click on YouTube intros. And believe it or not guys, actually a couple years ago, I would guess maybe between 2017 and 2019, I've actually been using this retro city intro from Renderforest for quite a while. It was quite successful. I used it in hundreds of different videos, and that is where that also came from. It's a funny side note. So if you scroll down right here, we have all kind of options. So right now you have to basically decide like, all right, which kind of intro is suiting your channel, because if you have a gaming channel you would obviously go into more of that direction. So right here we have all kind of like, you know, logo reveals and intros that could fit all kinds of channels. So right here we have a quick YouTube intro. So let's go and click on there and let's customize this one completely. So right here at the top you can also see how long it is. It is 8 seconds. It has been downloaded almost 50,000 times and it has a 4.5 out of 5 stars rating. Alright, so if you're going to choose this video right here, it says version. So you want to basically choose which kind of video that you want to use. We're going to pick the with video holders options for this one, and we're going to hit create now. Alright guys, so right here we have the first screen that we can customize. So this one is going to be 2 seconds long. So if you have, for example, a vlog of yours that's, let's say, 14 or 15 minutes, I would just go and cut out like 2 seconds of that. For example, I'll load that in right here. So I'm going to just go in and load in a file real quick. Okay, so now that I loaded in my clip, so now we can head over to the second tab right here, which says style. So you can choose the style between light and dark. I think for the videos that I chose, like the darkish kind of guitar playing clips, the dark one actually suits a lot better for that. So we're going to choose this one. Then you can head over to music right here, and obviously you can choose any kind of song that you would like from the library, or you can just use one and then swap that out later in your editing to use your own track if you have a subscription at a certain website, or if you have a copyright-free song or maybe one of your own songs. So once you've done that, you can click on preview at the top and that will generate you a preview. So now we get this prompt where it says HD 720p export, your 1080p export, or if you want to have 4K Ultra HD videos, like unlimited amounts within a month, you can also hit subscribe. So I'm going to choose the 1080p HD export, and then we're going to proceed from there. So it's going to start processing. So once it's finished, I'll show you what you can do and how to use that in your editing software. Alright guys, so this only took about a minute, so let's go and preview the video and let's see what it looks like. So that looks very nice guys. So what we can do now is obviously we can swap up this photo as well in the video editing software. That's not a problem. So now let's go and download this video to our computer so we can actually go and use this into our video editing software. Alright guys, so for this instance I'm going to use obviously Vegas Pro 19, so you can just drag and drop this one from your files into your timeline. So if you play it back, this is what it looks like. It looks very nice. It has this kind of stop motion almost effect, and then it hops into this profile photo, and this is basically how you use Renderforest. But obviously I have just chosen one single template, and there are so many templates you can choose from on the website that you can completely customize no matter which kind of theme your channel is in. This is how you customize it, how you add in music, how you add in your clips, and also how to download it and use it further into your video editing software. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to check out the Renderforest and the whole library about all the intro templates that are on there. Thanks a lot to Renderforest for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys obviously in the next video.